Okay?
Okay.
Kristen, go get more newspapers.
What?
Come on, let's fill it up.
Oh, you're crazy.
Okay. 2 minutes.
Lauren, be careful. Don't fall on your brother or sisters. Oh no, where's Darren?
Let him still see. Let him still see.
I'm so excited.
Wow.
Darren and Brooklyn just submitted. No, Caitlin!
Lauren, the skates? I don't know if that's a good idea.
I want to get a little try.
Okay.
Caitlin, I need you
Kristen,
to go.
she might be going through Kristen.
Okay.
Could you get Caitlin out of the way? Because I might fall on top of her head.
Woohoo!
Oh, he's excited.
Darren and Caitlin, I can't go nowhere.
Okay, guys, Lauren.
Paper party!
Go through. Kristen, can you get her paper?
Come on, Caitlin. Paper party! Let's wait over here.
Let Lauren through. It needs to be thinner.
Yeah.
Go through here, Lauren. Go through here.
Poor Brooklyn with her arm. Show your arm. Aww. It's okay. You can still have fun.